Hey guys, Smelling Roses here. Currently hiking down this forestry road here in the George Washington National Forest. I'm at the James River water gap where the James River cuts through the Blue Ridge Mountains near the town of Big Island, Virginia. The James River Face Wilderness is over on the south side of the river, and I'm on the north side of the James. I'm going to be walking down this road a short distance to a power line. Then I'm just going to head into the open woods and attempt to locate what I believe may be a pretty neat little waterfall. As far as I know, neither the falls nor the creek have a name. Just something I spotted on aerial photos when I was kind of scouting this area. So here we are at the power line.
I can hear the creek.
You can hear the creek?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear it too. It's just down there. We're getting close. All right, there's the creek down there.
I see it in here.
Oh!
Not again.
You're gonna slide down. Go right there. Go right there. All right, let's stop right here for a second. I believe this is the falls that I was looking for. Look at that narrow gorge right there. Pretty awesome. You want to go down further? Mm-hmm. We'll try. We have to be very careful, okay?
Okay.
We're going to try to go through here, all right? Because it's very steep right there. It's seriously steep here, guys. Video doesn't do it justice, I'm sure. I think I can get down to this flat spot, though. Hard to judge from this vantage point, but I would estimate that it's probably at least a 15-foot waterfall. And pretty nice flow. A lot of cool rock formations here in this little gorge. Awesome spot. Was it easy to get down here?
No.
No, it wasn't, was it?
No.
Well, guess what?
What?
Now we have to climb back out. All right, guys. Literally on all fours here. Whew. You all right, buddy? That's the direction of the road up there. Yeah, right up there. Okay, you want to try again? Okay, go. Awesome. Is this the right way?
Maybe.
Maybe. All right, so we just came from down there. Pretty intense climb, but we're back to the power line. All right, well, that was a pretty intense bushwhack, but awesome waterfall. And I may come back another day just solo without my son so I can explore around a little bit further down there, but the waterfall was pretty awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed checking it out. Thanks a lot for coming along with us. As always, I'll see you on the trail.